Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Far Cry 5 on your PC. So what we will do, we will go to Google. Far Cry 5 is one of the most famous shooter games online. And after you have entered Far Cry 5 in your search bar, you will scroll a little bit down and you will find the Steam gaming platform link. Click on that. Once you have entered the game page of Far Cry 5, you simply can check out some videos about this game, maybe check out the screenshots, some action images, read some information about this game, and definitely don't forget to check out the game download requirements on the right. After you have decided to download this game, then select an edition you would like to download or buy. After you have decided which one you want, add it to your cart and view my cart and sign in to purchase and finish your payment process. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments which video game you would like to see next. Cheers guys, bye bye.